Good morning, students. Dear students, now today I am going to explain the topic acidic rain. This acidic rain, by name you can tell that the rainwater which is acidic in nature. But one question is there, how rainwater become acidic? Dear students, as you are knowing that the rainwater is the purest form of the water. Rainwater is the purest form. Then how it become acidic? And what is the harmful effect of this acidic rain? How it will form? This everything we will discuss today. See, this acidic rain mainly contain the rainwater, snow, fog and dew. If the pH value of rain, snow, fog and dew will be less, then it is said to be less than 7, then it is said to be then it will come under the acidic rain. Means the term acidic rain is used to describe all the precipitations like rain, snow, fog and dew that are more acidic than the normal water. Their pH is less than 7. General way means normally the pH of the rain water is 5.6. The pH of the rainwater is 5.6 in general way. This is due to presence of carbonic acid H2CO3. And how this carbonic acid will form? As you are knowing that in our environment carbon dioxide is present, 0.02 to 0.03% carbon dioxide is present, which will react with acidic rain to convert into H2CO3 carbonic acid. So since it is weak acid, that is why its pH is 5. Means due to presence of this H2CO3, the acidic rainwater contain the pH 5.6. Now, but in case of presence of sulfuric acid and nitric acid, the pH range for the rainwater is from 5.6 to 3.5. But in some of the cases, in some places it is found that the pH value of the rainwater is 2. The pH value of the rainwater is 2. This is in special cases, means it is hardly it is found, but generally we are getting the acidic rains from means 5.6 to 3.5, and but in most of the cases we are getting 5.6. Now what is the composition of the acidic rain? Composition of the acidic rain. So acidic rain mainly for the oxide, mainly because of the oxides of the nitrogen and sulfur. Oxide of nitrogen means maybe NO, means nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and maybe because of SO2 or SO3, and it is converted into the acidic form. Means what is the formula for that? For the oxide of nitrogen, it will convert into HNO3, nitric acid. It will convert into nitric acid because of oxide of nitrogen, and oxide of sulfur, which will convert into H2SO4, sulfuric acid. How this HNO3 will form by the oxide of nitrogen, I am going to explain it. Okay, means as you are knowing that in our environment nitrogen is present, and how much nitrogen is present? 78%. And similarly, so many compounds of the nitrogen is also present. Now I am going to start from beginning, means how this nitrogen will convert into oxide of nitrogen first, after that how it will convert into HNO3. See, nitrogen which is present in our environment, which will react with oxygen, but since this nitrogen is the stable, so the same reaction will take place at 300 degrees Celsius and high pressure, then it will convert into 2NO, nitrogen oxide. This nitrogen oxide can oxidize in the atmospheric oxygen, and it will convert into 2NO2, nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide, NO2, which it will react with, this NO2 will react with which water? Rainwater, that is H2O, and it will convert into HNO2 plus HNO3. Okay, what is the name of these both molecule, my dear? This is nitric acid, as you are knowing that this is the nitric acid. And what about this first one? This first molecule is the nitrous acid. It is nitrous acid. Understood? Nitrous acid and this is nitric acid. Here both are the acidic in nature. Both will give one H plus ion. So this is the acid which will form because of the oxide of nitrogen, and it is responsible for the acidic rain. Now we will see the formation of sulfuric acid. So as you are knowing that coal, which one? Coal and petroleum product, and means petroleum product is also the coal is also the part of the petroleum product, but coal used in the power plant contains 4% sulfur, and after combustion of the coal as well as petrol or diesel are compounds of the copper, zinc, lead, they are producing after combustion they are producing sulfur dioxide, SO2, and SO3, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. And how they are forming these gases, my dear? Means suppose this is a sulfur, by the combustion it is converted into SO2, sulfur dioxide, and this sulfur dioxide again will react with oxygen to convert into sulfur trioxide. Write the balance reaction. This is 2, this is 2. Sulfur dioxide, it is sulfur dioxide, and now this is sulfur trioxide. Okay, these sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide both can react with rainwater to convert into the sulfuric acid. So if you will see, then sulfur dioxide, SO2 will react with atmospheric oxygen and rainwater, and it will convert into 2 molecule of H2SO4 sulfuric acid. 2 molecule of sulfuric acid. So this sulfuric acid, it is acid, so it causes the acidic rain. It causes the acidic rain. But if sulfur trioxide will present, SO3, then this sulfur trioxide will directly react with rainwater to convert into H2SO4. H2SO4. So these both are the sulfuric acid. So they are responsible for the acidic rain. Acidic rain. This is clear, my dear. Now we will discuss about the impact of the acidic rain. So as you are knowing that the acidic rain affect the soil chemistry, means because of the acidic nature of the rain, the fertility of the soil is decreases. As a result, dead of plants take place, leaf will destroy, its fertility will also destroy, and it's also affect the water bodies. Because of the acidic rain, the lake, the ponds become acidic, which are affected the aquatic life, and it is also cause the extensive damage to the building and means old buildings. Okay, for example, now these days we are able to see the Taj Mahal is facing this serious problem. Its color is changes. Now acidic rain increase the corrosion of the metal. Because of the acidic nature, some metals, means most of the metals, reactive metals, corroded fast. Acidic rain impacts the human also. Okay, how? Because of the skin problem, because of the due to acidic nature of the rain, human body is also affected. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.